Blaster, it's so much fun swimming in Big Shark Bay, especially with all these, whoa, big sharks. Don't worry, they're friendly. Whew. But you know what? I'm getting a little tired swimming in this open ocean. Let's head back to the lab and dry us off, would you? All right, backstroke. Whoa! Here we go!
Yeah, Martha, it's been a strange day here at Baby Shark Bay. The entire bay has been drained of all of its water, leaving baby sharks with nothing to do except sit and hope for more water to come. We don't know what has caused this, but we'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.
King Bobo calling.
With no more water in the bay, it should be easy to find a secret hidden treasure. Ha! I don't care about baby sharks. I only care about gold, gold, gold. Gotta go.
Oh, Blaster, at the bottom of the ocean, but no water? This is amazing. We can get real close to the coral and the rocks. Hey, there they are, the sharks. All right, it's a Mako shark and a tiger shark. Hey, guys.
Babablast, we're high and dry. And I don't mean fancy shampoo dry.
Thank goodness you're here. We're in quite a situation.
Oh, what happened?
King Bobo went blub blub zap and slurped up the whole bay.
He drained Baby Shark Bay using some kind of strange machine. We didn't stand a chance.
Well, even though Blaster and I aren't sharks, and Blaster and I don't live in the water, we can still feel for you and understand that this must be really tough what you're going through.
Yeah, it's the worst. I really miss swimming laps around seaweed.
It's kind of you to say that. It means a lot to be understood, Babablast.
Huh. I know, sharks are not meant to be on dry land. I think Blaster and I can help you out. Here we go.
Hey, no seaweed, but works for now.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Huh. Well, you're very welcome. And hey, we have to fill up Baby Shark Bay as fast as possible. And to activate the hydro pump, well, we need some shark power. Can you help us out?
Absolutely.
All right, grab your blasters. Here we go.
Hi, hi, hi. I'm a baby Mako shark, the fastest fish in the whole ocean. Boom! I can swim up to 60 miles per hour. That's way faster than your school bus. And I've got a pointy snout, big eyes, and teeth that never stop growing. I may be small now, but one day I'll be 6 feet long. Yes! Mako sharks like me love chasing fast fish like, whoa, there goes one, a tuna! It's like tag, but for lunch. Gotta go, race you to the next reef.
Hello there. I'm a baby tiger shark. And yep, we're named after the stripes on our sides. Pretty cool. I eat, well, a little bit of everything. Fish, crabs, even jellyfish. My teeth are super strong and shaped like tiny can openers. I explore coral reefs, seagrass, and yes, even a shipwreck or two. When I grow up, I'll be one of the biggest sharks in the sea. But right now, I'm just learning to glide through the waves, one gentle tail flick at a time.
All right, we learned a lot about Mako sharks and tiger sharks, and we got 2 shark cards. This will help us activate the hydro pump.
Good luck, team.
Yes, good luck.
Let's head back to the lab. Here we go. Woo! Blaster, add those shark cards to the hydro pump. Here you go. Oh, 50% of the way there. We need more shark cards. And Blaster, your power bar, it's looked better. But there's no time to waste. There's another alert for another baby shark that needs rescuing. Grab your blaster. Here we go. Blaster, The baby sharks of Baby Shark Bay are probably really scared. There's no water, and there are still gobos creeping around. What? Did you hear something? I didn't see anything behind me. But hey, if you learn of any gobos in the area, make sure you tell me and Blaster, okay? Perfect. Hey, it's a hammerhead shark, a baby hammerhead. Hi, baby hammerhead. What happened?
I was grabbing the rest of my tools to fix the deck in my backyard, and then bam! The water vanished.
It's been happening all throughout the bay. I'm so sorry, but we're here to help.
Oh, thanks for helping.
I know it's not much, but we can get you into a temporary tank for now. Come on, Blaster. Here we go.
That feels good.
All right, that's better.
Do you need any shark power? It's the least I could do for all your help.
Yes, we need more shark power to get the hydro pump working.
Well, then let's work together. I'll teach you all about baby hammerhead sharks.
Huh, that'd be super helpful. Grab your blasters, because here we go.
Okay, first things first. See my funny flat head? It's not just for looks. It helps me see and smell better than other sharks. I'm only 2 feet long right now, but someday I'll grow to be as big as a car. My mom had me in shallow, warm water to keep me safe from bigger sharks. I love munching on small fish and crabs. Don't worry, I'm way too little to bother anyone big like you. Oh, my hammer-shaped head makes me super special. I can find hidden fish in the sand and see all around me at once. It's pretty cool. The ocean is my playground, and I'm learning something new every day. Maybe you'll spot me swimming near a coral reef someday. I'll be the little one with the silly-shaped head saying, hello. Okay, bye.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, we got our hammerhead shark card. Let's add that to the hydro pump back at the lab, Blaster. We'll be back, hammerhead shark. Grab your blaster, cause here we go! Woo! The hammerhead shark. Let's add it to the hydro pump. Here we go! Oh! It's getting more powerful, but we still need more shark cards. Uh-oh, an alert. King Bobo has found the secret treasure and captured a baby whale shark. Blaster, we're nearly out of power. We only have enough magic for one more blast. And if we blast a King Bobo, we'll have no power to defeat him. What should we do? That's a good idea, Blaster, but it sounds a little dangerous. Blaster thinks we should go back to Big Shark Bay and find the Megalodon. Have you seen one of those? Oh, are you sure we can do that, Blaster? That's right, we can do it, we can do it. Grab your blaster. It's off to find the Megalodon to power up. Here we go! The bottom of the ocean, Blaster. It's so beautiful. Wow, look at all the fish. When they swim in a group like that, it's called a, yeah, Blaster, it's called a school. Good job. And yes, sharks are also a type of fish. Speaking of this fish, look, it's a blue shark. Whoa, hi, blue shark. Nice. And look, more beautiful fish. Whoa, they all just scattered. Uh-oh, maybe something's coming. Let's hide behind this coral reef. There it is! The most gigantic prehistoric shark ever! The Megalodon! Blaster, that will certainly have enough power to fill up our power bar. Here we go! Whoa! Whoa! This one isn't too happy. We just need a little bit more power, Blaster. Whoa! Whoa! Just a little bit more. Easy, Megalodon, easy. We just need to get a little bit more of your power. Nice! Now we can activate full power blaster mode!
nothing stands in the way. Baba Blaster sees the day.
We got our full power blaster. Now let's go save that baby whale shark. Here we go! Oh, the baby whale shark and the secret treasure surrounded by gobos, which is no match for a full power blaster. Here we go! Take that, gobos, and this. Got you, gobos. Got you, gobos. Hey, how about some water bombs since you stole all the water from Baby Shark Bay? Here we go! Water bomb! Water bomb! Keep it up, Blaster. Hold on, baby whale shark. We've almost got you. Only a few more gobos left, Blaster. Wind blast. 3, 2, go! Nice! The gobos are gone, baby whale shark. Oh no, but you're stuck in that super powerful orb. Blaster, we're gonna have to give it all we got. Grab your blaster, and here we go! Nice! You're out of the orb now, baby whale shark.
Thanks, babablast.
I know, no water, but we can fix that. Blaster, temporary tank, please. Here we go! Nice, for now. But we need one more shark card to activate the hydro pump. Can you help us?
Sure thing.
Oh, nice. A shark card from the biggest fish in the world, the whale shark? That'll be perfect.
Even though I'm called a shark, I'm the gentlest giant in the sea. I don't even have any scary teeth at all, look. Now look at my beautiful light spots. Each whale shark has different spots, just like, your fingerprints. I'm already 6 feet long, but guess what? The mile and dare, they can grow up as big as a school bus. I love swimming near the surface with my huge mouth wide open, filtering tiny plankton and small fish like a giant vacuum cleaner. For the tickles. Sometimes friendly divers swim with me because they know I'm super safe and super peaceful.
Hello there.
Now I might look enormous to you, but I'm still just a baby, learning to navigate the big blue ocean. I love the warm tropical waters where there's lots of yummy plankton. Maybe someday you'll see me gently gliding through the water. Our biggest spotted one with the biggest smile.
Now that we have our card, let's get back to the lab. Hang tight, baby whale shark. Here we go! Woo! Let's add the whale shark card to the hydro pump. Here we go! Nice! That's all we needed. The hydro pump is fully activated. Go fill up Baby Shark Bay! Whoa! The hydro pump is filling Baby Shark Bay at a rapid rate, Blaster. All of the sharks now can swim freely. Nice, look at it go, it's going so fast. I bet those baby sharks are happy now. Awesome job, everybody, we did it.
I go through all the trouble of draining Baby Shark Bay, and what do I get? Nothing. Not even one gold coin. Uh-oh.